In this video, you will learn how to fix Discord, muffling, or lowering other audio on your computer. First, go to User Settings, then scroll down, go to Voice and Video, then search for Attenuation, then click here, and then make sure it is set to 0%. Then you can close this, go to Settings on your computer, then click on System, click on Sound, then scroll down, click More Sound Settings. Then at the playback, find your speakers or your headphones, and then double click on it, go to Advanced, and then make sure to disable this option, and then click Apply, click OK, and then go to Recording, and then select your speaker, double click on it, and then click Advanced again. You have to disable this option, click Apply, click OK, then click OK, and you can go back to Discord, and this should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.